Keto Genix is a weight loss supplement that quickly takes you into ketosis. A problem with many weight loss supplements is that they do not have sufficient ketone levels. The manufacturers of this supplement have removed this issue and they have made this supplement suitable for quickly starting ketosis. Essentially, many people want to lose weight but they do not want to see any side effects. In this regard, Keto Genix is quite helpful. We have included the Keto Genix link in the description box. How does Keto Genix work? Now, let us look at the working of Keto Genix. The supplement works by reducing your body's ability to burn carbs and makes it burn fats. This helps in reducing obesity by reducing the total fat count of the body. Your body does not use up all the fats that you intake. Instead, it stores those fats in the adipocytes so that they can be taken out when they are needed for energy. When you start using this supplement, this does not happen. The body stops storing the fats and instead, uses them. The benefits of Keto Genix. The first benefit of Keto Genix is that it plays a role in increasing your metabolic levels. Keto Genix also promotes quick ketosis in the body. It helps you in getting into this state so that the body knows that it has to break fats. Cognitive health. Keto Genix is very beneficial for your cognitive health. This supplement is free of GMOs. Containing only natural ingredients, it works very smoothly without. Best way to consume Keto Genix weight loss supplement. If you want the best results from this supplement, we suggest you take it 2 times a day. You can take 1 dose in the morning and another before going to bed. Moreover, you can also take a dosage a few hours before hitting the gym or workout. It will give you the strength to work out with all your energy and eventually lose more calories. Now, don't wait another moment and get yourself a Keto Genix supplement to lose weight as soon as possible. I have really tried hard to follow my keto diet and workout schedule for as long as possible. But it took me so much time to get into ketosis. I did not have the patience to wait for that much. So I started taking Keto Genix as recommended by my gym trainer. I can clearly see the difference now. I have lost so many calories and I don't even feel exhausted because of my diet plan. So if you want to order Keto Genix, check the link in the description box. If you like this video, share and subscribe to this channel.